You okay? You're good, you're good.
Smoke glides in my face from the cigarettes of his burning combination of the drugs and the chronic that is serving us that don't take no pasta. Money, some of the sun, till the motherfucker coming out of nothing. We rather die, we left to kill a rat. We smoking on the sack, turn me into psychopath. Charge up, eat another sack. We don't fear no man that can bleed like I can. Rag on my face like I am Taliban. The scene is the ocean and I am the Sandman. Hold on, let me blow up. Movie with the stance while my eyes steady rolling. Uzi get the band while I stick up in the hole. Screaming fuck the man while the middle fingers go up. That red rum, that red rum. Rich in all of my bedroom. Television, never listen to the voices inside of your fucking head. Now I'm dead when it's live and you ain't dead to the reaper. Fuck a whole dick deeper with the fingers in the ground. I spread up all my bitches, fingers let me linger. Open like a seeker, trained by the teacher, raised by the preacher, not saved by the leader. Put the blade to his neck, told him run away and never look back. Then I threat, then I turn to the block. Said you know I know my press, but they follow me anyway, never talk. Till they find themselves built down around my neck. I'm a suicidal shepherd, slow, never bound to check. Hot boy, bitch, I'm pepper, never gave a fuck with the bitch boy. Kinda say he can never levitate from out the motherfucking grave. Television, never listen to the voices inside of your fucking head. Now I'm dead when it's live and you ain't dead to the reaper. Fuck a whole dick deeper with the fingers in the ground. I spread up all my bitches, fingers let me linger. Hook like a singer.
You sure?
Trained by the teacher, raised by the preacher, not saved by the leader. Put a blade to his neck, told him run away and never look back.
How's it feel?
Then I turned to the block.
You can't hold on him like that. I'm about to make you get it.
Can we roll?
Right? Hey, right? Am I right?
Hey, roll some dice.
Am I right?
If he hits a 7.
Oh my god, what are we doing? Do that? We're starting using freaking Warhammer tactics now. You have to get a 4 and up to make it hit. 3,